Hi and welcome back. In this video I'll show you how you can create a color palette in CorelDraw, a designing program. So let's say if you have selected these colors, like what I've just selected, just like so, and you want to simply make a new color palette out of these colors. Select these and then probably ungroup it all and then head over to Windows. Well, before you head over to Windows, make sure that the shape is all similar and congruent to each other. So once you've done that, head over to Windows and then head over to Color Palettes and then click Create Palette from Selection. And then you just save it on Documents, for example. Let's name it Palette, just like this. And then the colors are now generated in a new palette panel on the right side. So to prove it, let's make a circle and then you color it with blue. Oh yeah, that's the same shade, isn't it? And then you copy it just like this. It's the same. The same. The same. The same. The same. So yeah, looking really vibrant, and that's how you can create a new color palette using CorelDraw. If you want to have these colors that you've selected to appear in the new color palette on the right side panel. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But from me, it's good day. Ciao!